everyone! Magandang araw. My name is Eva Eunice Reynoso from the city of Alaminos, and I am turning 22 tomorrow, so I am 21 today. I'm currently studying at the University of Santo Tomas. I'm taking up Conservatory of Music, majoring in voice, musical theater, and yes, my advocacy is to encourage each and every one to fight against nature pollution and all the problems that our Mother Earth is facing right now. And be an Earth defender, guys. Very relaxing and super sarap sa feeling nung paghihilot sa akin ni ate. Like, my family and I, we used to go to massage this like this sa amin sa may city namin. So, the experience here is very, very, very amazing kasi nakuha ni ate lahat ng sakit ko sa katawan, and ayun, I encourage and I invite everyone na kung gusto niyo magpahilot, come here na.
Regarding your advocacy, so it's about pollution, right?
Yes,
so,
nature pollution.
Nature pollution. So specifically on what? On like car pollution, on water system pollution?
Actually, para sa akin, all around like water, sa air, and sa mga waste natin, pollution. So, yun yung pinofocus ko talaga para in-encourage ko yung mga tao na magkaroon ng tamang pagtatapon, ng tamang pagsisegregate ng mga kalat nila, and huwag magtapon kung saan-saan, and yung less na paggamit ng mga kotse kung kayo mag-carpooling, diba? Yun, para mabawasan naman natin ang ating pollution sa ating mundo.
Your major is music?
Yes.
So, is it like voice or instruments?
Voice musical theater. So,
okay.
nag-focus kami sa Broadway.
Okay. What's your favorite Broadway play?
Of course, everyone knows Les Mis. And
Sample.
Pero ang pinaka-favorite ko is Chicago.
Chicago, okay.
Yes.
Sample naman.
Serious tayo, kuya?
Yeah.
Serious? So this
Short one.
Okay. So this is a song by from the musical theater musical production of Chicago. So this is All That Jazz.
All That Jazz.
Yes.
So lalayo kami, may kasama sayaw? Wala, sa voice lang, okay.
Come on, babe, why don't we paint the town and all that jazz? I'm gonna rouge my knees or roll my stockings down and all that jazz. Start the car out of whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall, but there's an alley brawl and all that jazz. Thank you.
For your fans and your followers, where can they, what social media accounts?
Okay, so you can follow me on Facebook. My name is Eva Reynoso with I. It's not R-E-Y, it's R-E-I. And my name on Instagram and on Snapchat is Evanissim with 3 A's. And on Twitter, it's Yonis03. Thank you so much.
Thank you.